wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best beach chairs. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Stay comfortable on hot summer days in the Kijaro Coast Folding, which features a breathable ballistic mesh that provides good airflow. It's also easy to clean, so it stays looking new year after year, and includes a handy cooler built into the armrest. It comes with a zippered storage pocket and weighs just 6 pounds. However, it doesn't recline. At number 9, the lace-up suspending textiline sling of the Rio Gear Ultimate Backpack contours to the shape of your body, while the insulated cooler on the back keeps your beverages and snacks nice and chilled without you having to lug around any extra gear. It's durable and well made with adjustable shoulder straps, and it's wide enough for large users. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Kelsyus Kids is a great way to provide your little ones with a comfortable place to sit while at the beach, and also to keep them protected from harsh UV rays. When folded, it's lightweight and compact enough that they can carry it on their own. The canopy turns into a carrying bag, and it's best for kids from 2 to 5. However, some find the canopy too low. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for beach chairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Rio Gear Lounge is available in 3 fun striped patterns. All come with a roomy pouch attached to the backrest that can be used for holding snacks, beverages, sunscreen, and whatever else you might want to have on hand. It's 72 inches long and folds up easily, but note that it's not weatherproof. Moving up our list to number 6. The Cascade Mounted Tech Compact is available in 3 colors, forest green, orange, and black, and comes in a carrying bag with a shoulder strap. It has cushioned armrests to keep you especially comfortable as you lounge in the sun. It collapses easily, and the bag also has a loop for hanging. However, it is somewhat prone to rusting. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Tommy Bahama Backpack Cooler is a great companion for any outing. It boasts a lightweight aluminum frame that adjusts to 5 positions, so you can sit at the most comfortable angle or lie completely flat to perfect your tan. It includes a cell phone pouch, a fold-out towel rack, and a comfortable rubber carrying handle. At number 4, the Caravan Sports Zero Gravity is a popular choice as it claims to simulate a weightless environment. It features an adjustable padded headrest that can also be used as a lumbar support, so you can move it to where it's most needed. It's equipped with a powder-coated steel frame and a long-lasting textiline fabric. It locks securely into any position. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. It's not just adults who want a comfortable place to sit when relaxing at the beach. Kids do too, and that's just what the Melissa and Doug Flex octopus is for. Both boys and girls are sure to love its cute design and vibrant colors. It comes in at a budget-friendly price and is good for indoor use too. It's lightweight yet stable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for beach chairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the beachmall Jumbo sports a classic look with handsome hardwood arms that are coated to stand up to sun and salt, as well as an anodized aluminum frame that won't rust. It comes in 2 shades of blue that are both perfect for summertime. It features a roomy and spacious seat, a swing-away pillow headrest, and an impressive 500-pound weight capacity. And taking the top spot on our list, the Strongback Low Gravity provides excellent back support. Its low-profile frame sits close to the ground with just a 4-inch clearance, keeping you stable on sand. Backpack straps make this one easy to carry when folded. It boasts mesh panels for ventilation and padded armrests. It's perfect for outdoor events too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for beach chairs, or simply click beneath this video.